Today's video, we're going to do part 5 of the beginning runners program, which is the Lumberjack 20. So we're going to run 400 meters, then we're going to do 20 mountain climbers, then we're going to run 400 meters and do 20 squat thrusts, then we're going to run 400 meters. Hey neighbor. Then we're going to run 400 meters, and then we're going to do 20 burps, add the push-up mixed in with the squat thrust. Then we'll run 400 meters and do 20 sit-ups. Then we will run 400 meters and then do 20 burpees, 6 count burpees. And that will wrap up today's workout. Let's get started. So our run is the standard end of the block and back. So we're gonna start our run right now. All right, one 400 meter done. We're going to do 20 mountain climbers. "20 mountain climbers to each leg. Now we're ready for a run. "400-meter run done. Now 20 squat thrusts. "20 mountain climbers done. Now we run. Next run is done. Now we have burps, which are squat thrust with a push-up. All right, 20 burps. Guess what we do now? We run. All right, 400 meters done. I'm welcoming these sit-ups. If we only get to lay down for a half a second each time, I'm ready for it. 20 sit-ups. All right, 20 butterfly sit-ups done. If you ever want to realize how smooth your yard is, do some sit-ups. Seems like my yard's a little lumpy right now. Might need to call in an aerator. But before we do that, another 400-meter run. All right, well, congratulations. We finished the last 400-meter run. Now we just need to get through 20 burpees. Here we go. Okay, control your breathing, in through your nose, out through your mouth. That workout's done. Let's get through our cool down. Make sure you loosen up everything, stretch out all your body parts. Make sure you keep everything nice and loose. We'll catch up with you inside for some protein. See you in a minute. So that was a pretty good workout. We got a little extra running in, which is the point of the whole program. So I'm afraid that we're going to be starting to do that quite a bit more as the program goes on. I did take a sneak peek at the next workout. I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not looking forward to it. So let's push through this one together and knock it out of the park, be done with this one. So after today's workout, as I do after every workout, is get some protein. So I'm going to switch it up a little bit today. Instead of going with the salted caramel, I'm going to go with some Clear Whey isolate. This one is a mojito flavor. 20 grams of protein in here. What's interesting about this particular protein from My Protein is after you mix it up, it will settle clear, which you can kind of see here in the shaker bottle. It's pretty clear. One thing I really like about this one is if I want to have extra protein with a meal, I can use this particular version and mix it up and it becomes nearly a flavored water. So I'm going to show you. How clear that is after shaking up. Got a little extra bubbles in there. So it's pretty clear. And it's one of my favorite meal type drinks. So the real true question is, how does it taste? Not too bad. Just like the other flavors they have, it's pretty mild. Definitely would go well with pretty much any meal. I've had this one most recently with a steak dinner. It went perfectly. So give this a shot if you're interested in something that's a little bit lighter, something that doesn't sit quite so heavy on the stomach. Give this one a try, and we will catch you guys on the next workout. It's going to be a fun one. See you next time. And do 20 of the next exercise.
Oh my God.
And then do 20 burpees.
Next is burpees, like full on.
And hold on, battery's dying.